Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Eternal Souls Oracle. This is by Annelle Figueroa and art is by Yuri Nakadai. And this is independently published. Annelle actually reached out to me and wanted to know if I was interested in reviewing it, and absolutely yes. So I'm really excited to feature this. This retails for $44 with free shipping if you are in the US, and it has additional shipping if you are international. And right now she is taking orders through her email as well as Instagram. So I will link everything in the description box below. So this is 36 cards, both in English and in Spanish, which is so exciting. This is a labor of love, and I am really interested to see what is included in the cards here. This has no guidebook because Annelle wanted to allow you guys to use your own intuition for everything. This is a magnetic closure, which is awesome. So it says, Annelle Figueroa, author of the Eternal Souls Oracle, considers herself a lover of everything spiritual and magical. She came into the world with an insatiable thirst and curiosity for anything mystical and enigmatic. She describes herself as a descendant of knowers of light and wishes this oracle to give you the courage and strength to navigate life with more fluidity, accompanied by the ancestral spark that inhabits your soul. May the 36 messages in these cards become a balm of peace and guide for you. Trust your intuition. All right, so let's get into it. Oh, cute. You are never alone or helpless. The force that guides the stars guides you too. Shri Shri Anandamurti. Hopefully I said that correctly too. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, look at the back. Oh, that's so pretty. I really like the size of this, and the cardstock. Ooh, it's buttery. Okay. And it's on the thicker side. Flexible, snaps back. I like the way that this feels. Okay, I'm excited. And do keep in mind, I know that these prices are a little bit higher, but when you are buying from an independently published artist or author, the decks are more expensive due to the fact that they are doing everything themselves for the manufacturing, the art, all of that. It's all done by them. So therefore the price is higher because you have to pay for all of those things. So do keep that in mind. Just like when you buy things off of Etsy too, the prices seem to be a little bit more on the expensive side for all of that too. And I honestly, I do dig the fact that there is no guidebook. I think that's kind of awesome to give your intuition some challenge here. She was saying that for her, when she uses an oracle deck, that most of the time her intuition picks up on something that is not the meaning in the guidebook. And so that gave her pause to do this way. Hug your tribe. Aw. I feel like this is pretty universal. Surrender to the uncertainty. I see this being great for like a daily pull, confirmation for maybe how you are feeling for that day, what you should be, doing, focusing on, vibe with your inner voice. I'm going to read the bottom of the cards just because it might not be picking up on camera, and I want to make sure you guys are getting the correct info. Dance with nature. I love this. Happiness lives in you. Find it. Cute. Make peace with fear. Oh. The cards feel really nice. They're very nice quality, I have to say. I really like the way they feel. Ooh, this looks like black tourmaline. Protect your energy. I really like this card. Yeah, I feel like for most of these cards already, you really don't need a guidebook. It's just using your own intuition with what needs to be focused on within the card. You only have the present. It is brave to make mistakes. Say what you feel. Oh, I really like the art style. It's painted, it's different, it's abstract. Free yourself from perfectionism. Oh, well, that one hits deep. It's beautiful. I love the colors. Very vibrant. Come out of the darkness, shine. I really love the addition of both English and Spanish. I think this just is a very cohesive deck, and more people can experience it this way. What really matters at the end. Aww. Looks almost, I know this is supposed to be like maybe a person, but it looks like a keyhole too. Flow like the river. Whispers from the universe. Oh, like I love this because it reminds me of like when you ask for a sign or ask your spirit guides to drop a hint and like you see a feather on the ground or an acorn or something. That's really cute. I love that. Enjoy the solitude, embrace it. I absolutely adore this image because with the new imagery from the big O $1 billion worth of telescope, was it the Webb? I can't remember the name of the telescope, but you got to see super clear images of these galaxies upon galaxies. Oh, so cool. It reminds me of that. Bet on the unthinkable. Like you can just use these as encouragements for your day. Oh, I love the addition of everything here. Discover your magical place. Oh, I love that. Like create your own sacred space. Oh. Find value in the simple things. Cute. It's a very positive deck. Very comforting feeling. Thank the universe. Everything has a purpose. Close the chapter. The end. Oh, that's an awesome card. I'm getting a lot of really good intuitive hits with these. I really like this. Always choose from a place of love. Sweet. Ooh. Smile. You will be okay. If you really break this deck down to like what it is a basic deck for anybody to use. Anybody, whether you are a beginner or you aren't even familiar with Oracle decks, like this would be a wonderful gift, a comforting gift. You can understand the imagery. You can understand what the card is about. You don't even need a guidebook. Cry, purify your soul. Why do you compare yourself to others? I love this. There's a quote, and forgive me, I don't know who it's by, but it's like, the bee doesn't explain to the fly why it works with flowers or something like this. I don't remember the quote, but that's what it reminds me of. It's like, don't compare yourself to anybody else. Everybody has a specific uniqueness and a specific awesome function that they're talented at. Trust the divine rhythm. Covenant of souls. Oh. This could be taken a few different ways. Cute. Follow your dreams. Oh. Free yourself from toxic patterns. This is a huge reminder. I think we need to be reminded of this constantly as a whole. Feel your emotions. Do not run away. Absolutely sit with them and then let them go. You don't have to stay there permanently. Release control. Another one that is very relevant. Oh my goodness. I love this. Do not think too much. Silent the mental noise. Let love find you. Oh, this reminds me of the Rapunzel lantern scene. I swear everything goes back to pop culture or Disney. I know. I apologize, but then I'm not really that sorry. And then it says, forgive, evolve, be free. Oh, this is so sweet. Okay, let's see how it shuffles. Oh. Yes. Thank you very much for that. It is very smooth. I don't have an issue. It snaps back. And then, yeah, it's very buttery, velvety feeling. Thank the universe. Everything has a purpose. What do you get out of this? Let me know in the comments. What do you see in this image? What does this evoke for you? How would you interpret it if you were, if you got this card for yourself, if this came out for you? How would you interpret it? I would like to know. I think that there is a lot of value in this deck. I think it was beautifully done. I love that each card is a hand-painted image. I love that you really don't need a guidebook for it. I love that it came out of a place of love and understanding. I feel like this is the kind of deck that everyone should at least have a deck like this in their collection for those days when you kind of want to do some self-care, some self-love, self-work, but not have it be super harsh. This is a great tool for journaling, for understanding yourself and your feelings a little bit more. This is a great daily pull. This could be great for confirmation alongside your tarot. This is a very universal deck. I'm not mad at the price. Do I wish there was a guidebook? I always do. I always want more. I think everybody inherently does. But at the same time, it's so concise and to the point that it allows your intuition to take over. And you can really turn this deck into your own personal interpretations, which I think is fantastic. Like, there's no preconceived notion going in on what each of the cards mean. So that's kind of cool too. I know that there will be some of you that really will miss the guidebook, but at the same time, like, this I'm really pleased with. I don't really have anything to complain about. The quality is fantastic. I feel like as long as the quality is great, the price tag will reflect that. Like, I don't mind spending the $44 for great quality cards and a deck that you can use for a lot of different purposes. Very versatile. So, and plus it's in Spanish and in English. So it makes it even more versatile. This is awesome. I thank you so much, Annelle, for sending this deck our way. Now I'm going to turn it over to you guys. What do you think about this deck? Are you interested? Are you excited? Please let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I appreciate each and every one of you. I wish you guys a happy rest of your day. I love you and I like you. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thanks again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.